Whoa! Are you ready for something super fun today? Because in this video, we're gonna draw and color a juicy, yummy watermelon. And I'm so excited you're here with me! Welcome to the channel, little artists! If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Give this video a big like and tap the notification bell so you never miss our colorful adventures. Stick with me until the end, because this drawing is gonna look so cool once it's all done. Let's have fun and start creating together! Hey kids! Did you know that watermelon is one of the best fruits to eat in summer? It's super juicy, sweet, and full of water. Perfect for keeping your body cool when the weather is hot. Wow. So when the sun is shining and it feels really warm outside, don't forget to eat some fresh watermelon. It helps you stay hydrated and gives you energy to play and have fun all day. Yum, yum. Who else loves watermelon? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to stay updated with all our new videos. All right, little artists, our drawing is all done. And now it's time for the most fun part, coloring. Can you guess what color a watermelon is? Yep, it's bright green on the outside and red and juicy on the inside. With little black seeds too. Let's grab our colors and make this watermelon look super tasty. Are you ready? Let's go! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to stay updated with all our new videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to stay updated with all our new videos. Now let's start with the green color for the outside of our watermelon. This part is super fun. Make sure it looks nice and fresh. Ready? Let's color it green together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to stay updated with all our new videos. it's time to color the seeds black. Watermelon seeds are small but super important. They make our drawing look real and yummy. Let's carefully add those little black seeds. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to stay updated with all our new videos. Let's make our watermelon pop with a bold black outline. This black stroke will make everything look neat and super cool. Ready? Let's go around the edges nice and slow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to stay updated with all our new videos. Yay! Our drawing is all done, and it looks amazing! Thank you for being with me till the end. I had so much fun with you. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and tap the bell so you never miss our fun art adventures. If you haven't seen our strawberry drawing video, go check it out now. It's super fun and juicy. See you next time, little artists. Bye!